How to fix Spotify Facebook login error. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open settings of your phone. Then you have to go directly to apps or applications, and here you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. You will search just for Spotify. When you found Spotify, just open it like this and go to storage option and go to the last button, clear data. Click OK. Now you have to go back and click on for stop and click OK. And the last thing is going to Play Store and updating your Spotify again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like, also subscribing in our channel. See you in another video.